And I'm Hunter.
And today we're talking about new energy resources
The two newest resources we have discovered are carbon fiber, kites.
and power from waves.
Carbon fiber kites is a super strong material that's also extremely lightweight. Carbon fiber is 5 times stronger than steel and 5 times stiffer. It also weighs about 2/3 less than steel. Carbon fiber can reduce the weight of cars by 60%. This 60% drop in weight would cut a car's fuel consumption by 30%. This is a huge fuel savings without changing the car's engine. The price for carbon fiber is $10 per pound, but experts say it needs to drop down to $5 per pound before it becomes a widespread use in cars.
They say wave beats wind energy because waves are more predictable. This allows surges of power to be more easily integrated into the power grid. Billions of dollars have been invested in the world's first wave farm, which opened in Portugal in 2008. These generators are placed on the surface of the ocean to capture incoming waves. They are big buoys which measure 26 meters across and are at a depth of 13 meters, and they are 500 meters from the shore. The biggest advantage is that waves are free, and it can't get any better than that.
Okay, that was back to the studio. That was a wonderful report, Cole, but I still believe carbon fiber kites are a better solution.
Well, they could be, but waves will never run out. We have the machines that will capture them forever, and I'm pretty sure the moon's still going to be here for a while.
Well, carbon fiber kites, they can cut the cost by 60%.
Well, that is a good point, but waves are cheaper, and they'll always be here. Now we're going to go to David over there.
Talk about is renewable and non-renewable resources. The two of you are going to tell you about is coal and solar power.
Solar energy is a renewable energy source. Solar energy is produced by the sun. This energy is free and clean. It does not put pollutants into the atmosphere. But there are some negatives to solar energy. One of the disadvantages of solar energy is that it is expensive for the solar panels, which are used to produce the energy. The solar panels are also ugly, which cause some people to stay away from the solar energy. Solar energy only takes up 1% of the energy used in the United States. So will this number increase or will it decrease? Now to Cole with the news about coal.
Coal is a fossil fuel that results from the decay of primeval forest over time. This is one of the most plentiful fuels in the world and less expensive than other energy resources such as oil. The U.S. contains 25% of the world's coal reserves. The process of getting the coal and converting it to energy is first you have to mine the coal from the mountain, either by scraping the top surface off, digging through the side, or using mine shafts to go below the mountain. After the coal is mined, it is transported to a plant where it is pulverized into a powder. The powder is then used to heat water and make steam, which turns a turbine. There are negative things about coal, which is that it produces greenhouse gases and other harmful pollutants. These cause health hazards to people in the area. Also, it is non-renewable, which means it will eventually run out.
Some good things come from wave energy. For example, they will always be renewable and have constant power being delivered from them, as well as not to mention being pollution-free. However, where there are good things, there are bad things as well. For example, the noise from them can be overwhelming and they are very expensive. Plus, there are only about a few implemented in this world. And let's not forget about the solar energy. For a good cause, they are as well not polluting and can be very renewable. But they can be very expensive and they only work in the day. And I don't even want to talk about how the weather affecting it and everything.
Thank you for joining us today, and please have a good day.